What's up, Amazon sellers? So you're live and selling on Amazon. You've built an amazing selling machine, earning you money every single day, every single hour, every single night. But we always want more. So here's 4 easy things that you can do right now to scale your Amazon business. Before we move on, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get more content just like this. So number 1, use pay-per-click advertising for advertising sales as well as for organic growth. Don't be tight with your money when you launch your product. Make sure you invest in your product, get those advertising sales going, and there will be a halo effect onto your organic growth as well, and you'll see more sales coming in, I guarantee it. Make sure you manage your ACOS though, so you don't spend too much and you spend more than your profit allows. It's usually around 20% or under for sure. Stick to that number and you'll see your business grow dramatically. If you want to learn more about PPC, check out our Seller Insights video with Howard Lee. He's an expert in the space. Click on the link below, you'll check it out there and learn how to really scale your business with the right structure to your PPC campaigns. Number 2, don't rest on your listing laurels. So you've gone ahead, you've done all the research, you've built your listing and you're starting to make sales. Don't stop there, go back every single month, check your listing, see what keywords are missing. Pull your search term report from your pay-per-click advertising and check which keywords are converting, and if you don't have it in your listing, add those. It's going to immediately give you more organic traffic and drive more traffic to your listing, and you're going to get more sales. So every single month, make sure you check your listing and look at ways you can optimize it. And last tip is look at your competitors. They're changing every single month. So look at them, see what they're doing differently, and add pieces that they're doing well to your listing. So from my personal experience, this is what I do to my listing to make sure it's absolutely optimized. I check through the search term reports and I look for the main buyer keywords that are converting, and then I make sure that's in my title. That's the best thing you can do. Make sure that you index check every single keyword, because sometimes, for example, Amazon might not list some of your keywords, so make sure you index check them to see that they're actually working. The best way to do that is to take your keyword and your ASIN and put it into the search box within Amazon and see if your listing comes up, and therefore you know you rank for that keyword. Those are 2 things that I really do every single month to make sure that I'm absolutely optimized. Number 3, customer questions and reviews. Plain and simple, answer them. If you get reviews, if they're bad or if they're good, go into those reviews in the public forum on Amazon and make sure you give a great answer to every single review. That'll help with conversion. Customers look at those reviews, they look at how you responded, and that helps to educate the customer. They know that you're a serious seller and you're trying to provide as much satisfaction as possible. And also with the customer questions, the questions and answers section within Amazon, make sure you go in there and detail down every single answer to every single question. That is so important for ranking, for the algorithm, and for customer conversion. So go in there, make sure you optimize that section every single month. Number 4, price testing. Do it every single month. Push your price up a little bit, push your price down a little bit, and don't be impatient. Leave it there for a few weeks and see if your sales automatically start to go up or start to dip, and then adjust accordingly. This is really important against your competitors, but also Amazon's algorithm will be checking to see if they sell your product, will they make more profit, will they make more revenue? So definitely play with your price, but don't be too impatient. Those are 4 things you can do absolutely right now to scale your business and help it to grow and get more sales coming in day, night, and every single minute. Those are 4 easy things that you can do right now to scale your business. And don't forget to check out all of the tools on ZonGuru. This is where ZonGuru really comes into its own. It becomes powerful. As a seller on Amazon, you have so many tools that will really help you scale. Listing Optimizer, Niche Radar, that is really a big one to finding new products. Email Automator, Business Dashboard, you can look at your ACOS, you can manage your net profits. The list goes on and on. Keyword Tracker, Product Monitor, just check them all out. Go to ZonGuru now. Don't forget to hit the button right here, subscribe so you can see more content like this, and we'll help you scale your business. Cheers for now.